Unveiling the flavor of heritage, the journey of an inherited recipe. Hello and welcome to our cozy corner of learning. Today, we'll embark on a flavorful journey as we delve into the heartwarming world of inherited recipes. These are more than just instructions for cooking. They're treasured narratives, flavored with history, culture, and family love. Ready to savor the story behind every bite? Let's get started. An inherited recipe is a culinary treasure passed down from generation to generation within a family. It's not merely a list of ingredients or steps. It's a legacy, rich with personal memories, traditions, and sometimes, secret ingredients. These recipes are cherished heirlooms, similar to a beloved piece of jewelry or a handwritten letter from a grandparent. Inherited recipes are often composed of more than just physical ingredients. They carry the essence of family history. Each recipe tells a story of ancestors and their lives. Cultural significance. Many recipes reflect the culture and era from which they originated, offering a taste of history. Emotional connection. Preparing and sharing these recipes can evoke strong emotions, reconnecting us with lost loved ones. Preserving an inherited recipe is an art. It involves documentation, writing down the recipe, sometimes for the first time if it's been orally communicated. Adaptation, modernizing the recipe without losing its essence, perhaps by substituting ingredients or adjusting methods. Sharing, passing the recipe to the next generation, keeping the family narrative alive. An inherited recipe is a vessel of collective memory and identity. It's a bridge connecting the past, present, and future of a family. When we cook these recipes, we're not just preparing food. We're reviving stories, paying homage to our heritage, and creating new memories. Inherited recipes are precious links to our past and vital ingredients of our identity. They nourish not just our bodies, but our souls and the bonds that tie us together. So, the next time you taste a family recipe, remember, you're savoring a piece of history, love, and tradition. Thank you for joining this flavorful journey. May your meals be delicious and your heritage rich.